Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 24. The system of exchanging goods for goods is referred to as A. Demand for money, B. Money order, C. Money transfer, D. Supply of money, E. Trade by barter. So we're looking at system. We're looking at a system for exchanging goods without use of money. That is exchanging goods for goods. And we are asked what that system is called. So let's define each of the options given to us and then see which one best suits this definition. So option A, which is demand for money, is defined as the desired holding of financial assets in the form of money. Now, money order is basically described as a payment order for a pre-specified amount of money. Now, money transfer refers to any system of transfer of funds, that is from one account to another. Now, supply of money refers to the total value of money available in an economy, that is supply of money. And then trade by barter refers to exchange of goods directly without a medium of exchange such as money. So from the definitions we have given, you see that option E, trade by barter, refers to exchange of goods without a medium of exchange, and the question asks for the system of exchanging goods for goods. So option E, trade by barter, is the closest, best defines this. So the correct answer is E, trade by barter. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.